This is Joey Franko from the UFO Hunter. I'm still kind of recovering from this surgery. Ow. And I've got some old footage up and some new footage at the end. I show an owl, a bat, a bird, a couple planes, a couple UFOs, and then at the end there's a couple clips with my new scope set to white hot of objects flying over. It's pretty clear. There's no wings or anything on these objects flying over here in Tulsa. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's just some short clips and stuff. I'll be up and around here pretty soon. I just wanted to share something, put something together for you guys. I'm sorry I haven't been filming much. Anyway, I love you guys, man. You guys take care. Thanks, man. Bye.
Whoa, look at that. We got a big old owl on top of my pole. See the owl? I'm not going to shine my laser at him, man. That might hurt his eyes. Big old owl. How cool. I wonder how long he's going to stay up there. He's right on my telephone pole that I film around every night. Isn't that cool? Oh, let's change colors here and look at this owl. Here's the owl. Bat! Okay, that was a bat or a bird. That was a bat or a bird. That's a bat. That is a bat. Scared me, man. I thought, wow, what was that thing? It was too low to be a UFO. I thought, man, I was going to get attacked by a UFO. Okay, now we got a bat. Let's just use that file as a UFO bat file, huh? Joey's Reality UFO Channel. Come on, Lord. Oh, there goes some kind of a bird. That's a bird. That's a bird right there, guys. Clearly see it's a bird. There goes a bird. Anyway, there you go. A bird flew right over.
I believe that to be a plane right there. Airport. God, this scope is so much clearer than that other one. That's 5 power zoom right there. You can hear that baby, it's just taking off, man.
That's an airplane. That's a jet plane right there, you guys. It's coming straight over my head. So you can tell the difference in a jet plane. Way different. Me moving around. See it? Real clear. It's 30 to 40,000 feet up in the air. Anyway, you can hear the jet sound. It's right over my head. Anyway, I caught a jet for you guys too after that one, so that's cool. Wow. Hear the jet? It's way behind its sound. Sometimes a UFO will fly by these jets. Where'd I go? I lost it. There it is. Where'd it go? Something flew by it. What was that? Something else flew. Oh, I'm on 4 power zoom. No wonder why it's coming out so weird. There, it zooms off. Okay. Anyway, let's start with an airplane. That's a jet plane right there, you guys. It's coming straight over my head. So you can tell the difference in a jet plane. Way different. Me moving around. See it? Real clear. It's 30 to 40,000 feet up in the air. Anyway, you can hear the jet sound. It's right over my head. Anyway, I caught a jet for you guys too after that one, so that's cool. Wow. Hear the jet? It's way behind its sound. Sometimes a UFO will fly by these jets. Where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. Where'd it go? Something flew by it. What was that? Something else flew. Oh, I'm on 4-power zoom. No wonder why it's coming out so weird. There, it zooms off. Okay. Anyway, let's start over. I saw a UFO straight up over my head. And, oh, there we go. That thing was gone fast, man. Man, it was gone out of here quick. That was a cool disc, man. No bird there. Temperature like the sky is tonight. It gets kind of grainy. Oh, there. Whoa. Wow. I don't know what that was, man. I didn't see no wings on it. I don't know. Right there, man. UFO, bud. There goes a UFO right there, you guys. Really up there. This is real high resolution thermal too. Cool, man. Flying way up in the clouds. Still going. Got it set to white hot.